These are the three mistakes that will be killing your landing page in Nigeria and invariably affecting your business. Mistake number one, any landing page with no clear headline will confuse the viewers. Let's take a look at this. Now, this is the solution. You must use a clear and powerful headline if you want your viewers not to be confused and in turn increase your sales in your business. Mistake number two, any landing page with too much information will affect the viewers and in turn affect your sales. Now let's take a look at this. If you take a look at this, you see that this landing page has too much information and will affect the viewers when they visit. Now this is the solution. Focus on one clear message that will direct the viewers and increase your sales in return. Mistake number three, no clear call to action. Any landing page with no clear call to action will affect the visitors and in turn affect your sales. Let's take a look at this. If you see this, you see that it has no strong call to action. Now, this is the solution. The call to action must be strong. Let's take a look at this. If you look at this, you see that the call to action is very strong. It will guide the visitors and get results, and in turn increase your sales. If you want a professional, strong, and affordable landing page for your business, contact me through my website, and I will design one for you. Write landing page in the comment section. I will reach out to you as soon as possible.